Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to look at one relational database system called PostgreSQL. Now, what is Postgres? PostgreSQL is a free and open source relational database management system emphasizing extensibility and SQL compliance. So let's see. For you to install Postgres, first you have to download it. You have to have the file, installation file itself. So let's open a browser and type Postgres. Search PostgreSQL. Then let's click on downloads. Now from the downloads, now you can choose your operating system. If you have Linux or Mac OS, Windows, BSD or Solaris. Me, I have Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows to download PostgreSQL. Now when you click on Windows, now you can now download it from here. Download the installer certified by EDB for all supported Postgres version. So you can click on download. Me, I had already downloaded my version of Postgres, which is Postgres version 14. I had earlier downloaded it. So here it is, Postgres 14.5, sorry. Now for you to install it, you just double click on it. Then from the dialog pop-up box, follow the instructions and just click on next. Welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Just click on next. Then now we can choose the installation directory. I choose the default. Click on next. Select the default that has come. But what you need is PostgreSQL Server and pgadmin4. This is the graphical user interface for administering the PostgreSQL Server. Click next. Where the data files will be located, I choose. You can choose your own directory, but I choose the default one. Now here you choose your password, the password for the super user. Remember, put a password put a strong password, but put a password that you will be able to remember. So let me choose my own password here. Let me type the password again. Click next. Now you can choose the port. We choose the default port. Choose the default locale. You can choose your own locale, but we go with the default. Now these are the settings that will be used for installations, and I usually like to take these settings and copy them somewhere for my own use when the system copy. Copy my settings there. Click next. Now setup is ready to install. Then you click next. Then you wait for setup to finish. This is going to take quite some time, so just be patient and let the system do its thing. Okay. We've finished with the PostgreSQL installation. Now we have an option here to do Stack Builder. You launch Stack Builder. Stack Builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers, and applications to complement your PostgreSQL. So let's open the Stack Builder and see what it entails. This is how to help you install additional software to complement your PostgreSQL Enterprise Database Plus installation. So you can choose that, then click Next. These are the additional plugins if you want to. Agent, database drivers, database server. These are just additional drivers that you can, if you want to, for web development. But we're not going to do that right now because we have what we need as for now. Okay, now we are done installing PostgreSQL. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, page admin 4. It's up now. So what's the master password? Just put your password. Enter the password for Postgres. Now this is the default database that comes with PostgreSQL 14. This is the database itself. This is where the databases will be located. This is the database itself. These are the schemas. the schema is where you get your tables will be. This is the public schema, and this is where you get the tables. If you create if you insert tables into your database. And so that's it. Next time I'll show you how to create tables, to create databases, to create schemas, create tables, access PostgreSQL via the PSQL script, PSQL shell, sorry, and also accessing PSQL via the command line. So thank you for being with me, and hope you have a wonderful day. And please kindly, if this has been helpful to you, kindly subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.